Hi, you guys. I'm so excited to be unboxing what my husband got me for Valentine's. So I did purchase one of their bags that was sort of like a love inspired Valentine's, I believe. I want to say this came out quite a while ago, but I know in Canada we're always slow for everything. So I purchased this on the Coach outlet, and then my husband, he did transfer me the money to pay for it. So I'm super excited because I've said before, I'm really not a surprise person, but I definitely. So me and my husband actually were the other day, we were like, okay, you know what? I wanted to look up like what we would consider like our love language. So there's 5 love languages that they talk about, and mine, as soon as I said what the 5 were to my husband, the first thing he said was, you love, I think one of it was affection, so no, spend time with you. So that was definitely mine, and his is like positive, like affirmations. And so definitely that is indicative of our personality. He likes to be told he looked good, and all of that good stuff. So definitely I give him lots of that, and I am like, you need to spend time with me. So I'm definitely not a surprise me person, or gifts, because that was one of the love languages, that you like to receive gifts. And if someone's buying you things, and kind of, and it doesn't need to be expensive gifts, but just maybe even flowers weekly, stuff like that, then that is your love language. So I thought that was very interesting. But nonetheless, sorry for my rambling. This is what I purchased, and I'm just going to unbox it today and show you possibly what can fit in there. And then I will do a what's in my bag, hopefully another time, once I move into this bag. So it did come wrapped nicely. I'm assuming my address and stuff will probably be as soon as I open it. So if it is, then I might have to just come back. But it's a nice big box, and it is a good sized bag that I got. So let's see. So I'm just sorry, I had to kind of come off of frame. So it is this nice big Coach box, as you can see here. Like, it's so nicely wrapped. So I love that. So you do have this little sticker, and this isn't wrapped really nicely. My last item was not wrapped very nicely like this. So this is exciting to see it wrapped like this. They did put lots of protection in here. So this is exciting because I've never actually had it come like so pretty. Ooh, so this is nice. I'm assuming that my receipt and everything is in here. So you do get this with your receipt like in here. So that's really nice. And then you get this, it looks like a thank you card. So you get a Coach thank you card, which is new. So last time I purchased, actually no, I don't think I've ever actually purchased a bag. I think I've purchased, what else have I purchased online? I think more accessories. So I don't think I've ever done like an actual bag. Most of the times I just go to the outlet because I like to be able to touch and see it. So here is the actual bag that I purchased, and hubby ended up, as I said, paying for it for me for Valentine's. So we did go out for dinner that weekend too. So if I remember, I will probably insert our weekend. So just kind of like pick out what you want. So this is the mini town bucket bag. It originally retails for $378 Canadian. So I love it. It's wrapped really nicely. I noticed when you go to the actual outlet, everything's kind of out. Here and there, they might pull you out a new bag, but for the most part, it comes, everyone's kind of touched it if it's the last one. So this is really nice to see how well it's packaged. As you can see, it comes with like, I would say like a burgundy or maroon bottom. It doesn't have any feet. So if that's, if you're the type of person that likes to put down their bag and likes feet, this does not come with it. So I chose this bag and this colorway because I always buy black bags. But my husband the other day when we went away, he was like, he made me choose this green bag. We didn't make me choose it, but I was really eyeing it. And he's like, just get the green bag. He's like, you always buy black bags. You have enough black bags. So I wanted to move away from that. I thought this would be super cute. You know, you could wear it with like nice neutrals. It's browns. So it's perfect for everyday kind of wear. Okay, so this is the bag. It is wrapped up really nicely. So let's see what would fit in here. Just gonna take everything out. Take off all of these sort of wrappers here. So let me not waste your time and finish up unpackaging it, and then I will be back in a minute. Okay, so the one piece of packaging I did want to show you guys is like down, like everything is packaged like really nice. Like down here, they actually put like another piece like to not like scratch at the bottom, which is great. So let's move this box to the side. I'm just gonna put it on the floor. And let's get into this bag. So let's see what would fit in here. Like every time I'm looking, there's some type of plastic and stuff. So there's plastic on here, as you can see. So this is super cute. So this bucket bag is like a great like size. So let's see what will fit in here. So I do have a few things kind of off to the side that I want to show you possibly could fit or not. It does come with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody. So I've been gravitating to a lot to crossbodies. I like to be able to have my hands free when I'm like grocery shopping and all that. So I typically will go for a crossbody. I do have a lot of totes, and you know, but even with my totes, I add usually some type of crossbody handle to it. So that is what it looks like. So I have this big cosmetic pouch. So I just wanted to actually give you sort of an idea of like how big this is, and let's see if it'll fit. So it is 21 centimeters, almost 22 probably, and inches wide. It is 9 inches. So let's see if this will fit. So I mean, as big as this, you know, thing is, it will fit in here. You won't be able to close it for sure, but definitely you can tell it will hold hopefully a good amount of things. So the next thing I do have near me is what I'm using right now is my planner wallet, and I thought the two colors would look nice together, so I pulled this back out as my Moterm A7. So I am just going to put this here, and this is my everyday sort of wallet planner everything. And then I wanted to see if one of their actual like Coach notebooks would fit in here. So maybe let's try putting it in the bag. So yeah, look, that would fit in here. But as I said, you wouldn't be able to close it. But I feel like if you needed to carry it, like you could still get away with carrying it. You still have lots of room if you carry it like in the crook of your arm. So it is super cute. So I like this. I'm definitely going to style it, you know, put all my charms and things on there. You do have a middle compartment here. I am filming on my phone, so I can't show you if my phone would fit, but I have an S10, so I'm assuming that should fit in here fairly well. So yeah, that is what will fit in here. Okay, so here is part 2 of that video. I am showing you what I have in my bag. So I'm posting both of them side by side. That way you can see what I'm carrying in here. I did show a bit of in the unboxing part what would fit, but this is what I'm actually carrying right now in this bag. So right now I have it stuffed. As you can see, it is a beautiful bag. I'm loving the print going into spring. So what I did was I ended up adding this charm, and it just has some diamonds there as a beautiful gold charm to go with all the gold hardware on here. I actually was going to initially just do the unboxing because I wanted to get a few pieces, which I did order, did receive, so you'll see them here. So what I did was just added this other little charm. These are both from AliExpress, and I love that they go with, you know, sort of these tan colors and lighter colors that are on the bag. So a new item that I had got, I told my husband that I need the matching wallet because this was part of my Valentine's gift, and I ended up getting this one. So in here, just keep a few cards. I have my Visa, I have my card from Canada Post. And then back here, I just keep all my IDs and stuff like that. I've obviously turned them around, but my CAA card and stuff like that. So I love that I can just hang this at the side. So what I did was I just clipped it, and I will link, if these are all still available, I will link it below so you can just chain it here. I just stuck it in the bag so you can get an idea, but it just basically hangs at the side of the bag, and I love that. So that's how it would hang. And it is more of, it's gold hardware, but this is more of a bronze like sort of color. Very cute. And I believe that one was 20 something dollars or $30, so not too expensive. And then I ended up getting this little like pouch as well, and it's one of the double zips, so I will show you what is in here. Okay, in this double zip at the front here, I just have some gum, I have my lip gloss, I have this cute little mini NARS lipstick from Sephora, and some Advil. And then so this is one of their wristlet pouches, as you can see here. If you wanted this to be like a true pouch, then you could always take this off. I'm opting to just keep it on because maybe if I'm going out in the evening, I have this bag. I can just, you know, pop it on my wrist, and I have it to go from like evening. So, and it comes with this cute little leather tag here. And then in the back part, I just keep my teeth picks. I have a Bath and Body Works spray here. And I picked that up over Christmas in there with all their holiday shopping. And I keep a pair of earrings because I'm always forgetting to put on a pair of earrings when I'm going out. And then I have some Band-Aids back there. So I don't really have this bag, I would say, really stuffed to the brim, but it definitely is pretty packed in here. So next is some tissue, and then I have my lotion. I have my key pouch in here from Louis Vuitton, and that is what it looks like. And then I have my headphones. Yes, I am super old school. I've had earbuds. I do not like having to remember to charge them, so I stick with the old school headphones. So when I'm in my car and I leave the car, I can have it so when I'm in the store shopping. So in here, I just have a sanitary napkin and some flushable wipes. Girls got to keep clean on the go. And then I also have my planner or my wallet, and this is my catch-all for, I have it set up for to track my expenses and my grocery shopping, and I have a monthly calendar in here, and I keep my envelopes for my spending, like my money. So this all fits in here. This is a Moterm A7. And then I just keep this as extra, like for some extra cards and gift cards. So that is it. So it does hold quite a bit. And let's see once it's packed if everything will close. So I could actually put this up there. Let's put this back here. And see if it will close. Okay, so yeah, so it will still close even though I do have it sort of packed with everything. And I love that it is a cute bucket bag. I have been wanting to get the Louis Vuitton Neo No Way, but I was like, I'm not spending $3,000 on a bag that, you know, I'm going to be over in like 5 minutes. So I thought this would be a better option. I'm really liking it, and is a cute sort of everyday carry. So if you have any questions, definitely leave it down below. And if you're not already subscribed, hit subscribe on your way out, and then I will see you guys on another video. Bye.